So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the world famous Benihana's solo adventure. But I'm getting to takeout, so we do this so you don't have to. So let's go ahead and see what it's all about. Oh, card. So yeah, so we secured the bag, y'all. Look, we secured the bag, as they always say. So we got the drink, got the official Benihana drink here, and we got the food and the yum yum sauce, and gonna bring y'all another video a little later on as we trying the rice and all of that good stuff, man. So yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Soul of a Man. All right, so we have the rice from earlier from Benihana's. Just gonna taste this and that's really good. And there is the yum yum sauce. Very good.